Again, this is Mark Antonio Pareño, innovator of Project Humanist Human Species of the entire universe, Project the founder of Project Zero, the Project, etc. This humanist human species of the entire universe are 5 or 6. Uh, I've watched NASA in YouTube, the latest discovery planet, a green-blue planet that has a lot of species in on their planet, more like the animals in our planet Earth, but it's those animals are still or different animals or species in our planet, more like similar for some. The thing is, the plan is we can left the hydrogen there. We can build a space station to every planet outside the solar system that has hydrogen. It will be hydrogen. Oh, space station, space station, space station, space station. That also did those past these videos. A giant space station containing hydrogen and water from the near planet that is hydrogen based type of planet. Okay, outside those hydrogen space station containing gigantic space station are another space station that can be inhabited or lived by us humans. Of course, there's water. Water is available. You can further survive in this area. You can further study the said near planet, unless it's by cosmonauts. The NASA used a robot that floats. But my robonauts are different. Robonauts are more construction type. They construct those. They will construct those big gigantic container, hydrogen container space station. And those cities, those cities, space cities. We will only have to program them for the specific job to provide electricity, fuel, etc. More like they're not like soldiers, for construction environment. But of course, this space station, those robots are able to different. So that. Okay, those the hydrogen container space station from planets to other planets outside our solar system. You will see that if you accomplish that, those will be easy to live in far more areas of other parts of the universe, or of the galaxy. In these ways we can primary dominate the first solar station to the second, the lot of maybe centuries, the other maybe half a century or decades, the other solar to the other solar system, then the next galaxies, or like again. This has been Antonio Pereno, ang plan pa rin Indonesia Makalina from Manila, Philippines. Sumikabi ang LSS. Bye guys, love guys. God bless.